Come on, boys. Come on, 45. Up you go. Up, up, up. Join in, John. Brake left in the middle, round that tree. Brake left, then brake right. Brake left. Then brake right, round the big tree. And then
It's too high, it's nowhere near the gap.
come down 2 yards, brake right until we turn left. Brake right. Brake left. Right down, Morgan. Turn left. And then bring it round. I've never thought that you say that, Mark. Slow down, Morgan. Straight down through the street. Straight down and pull. Up.
Okay, so
Pull,
probably
pull.
the places you're ever seeing flies here.
Pull.
As soon as they come out of here, it's steady all over the place.
Get it low, brake right over the bushes and then brake left round the tree. Right, we go, right. And then left round the tree. Round the tree. Oh, who's that new something?
It's exactly right.
Brake left in the middle, then round the tree down the bottom. Brake left, and then round the tree. Come on, boys. And the big loop in the middle.
Go for a loop.
Up, up, up.
Oh, it's down
Through the back. And go. Pull. Nice. Pull it around to the right. Straight down the strip line. And up on the 45 down the end. Morgan, slow down. I've got to catch up. Up round. Pull. Straight down the strip. All the way down. Brake left down the bottom, around the tree and back up through the middle. That's it. Brake right in the middle, Gary, turn left.
Yeah, should have a
Big loop in the middle. Two big loops in the middle. Go. Think about your landings.
Oh, tree!
I'll come out the other side.
Every time I look away, it's
I've got a fin on you off. Right, you damaged, boy. Your rudder's off. How much time we got left? That's it, yeah. Oh, come on, Greg. Come on, boy. You know how to do this. No, Greg. Oh!